guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I actually purchased not one, not two, but 3 different mystery bags from Ipsy. Do you want to know what's in my bags? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So again, I ordered 3 different mystery bags, and if you're seeing what I'm seeing, they're exactly the same. So I'm going to tell you about them. I'm going to open one of them, and then I'm going to gift 2 of them to 2 of you because I don't need 3 of the same items. So let me just set these down. Let me tell you a little bit about it. Now, I used to get Ipsy a long time ago. I got them for several years in a row. And then at one point I was getting so much makeup and so much stuff that I was feeling like anxiety and overwhelmed in my makeup area. It was just, I was getting too much stuff that I wasn't using. So I canceled a lot of those makeup boxes, and trust me, I don't regret my decision because I like my stuff just stay the way it is and not keep adding and adding every single month. But when I saw that they had mystery boxes, because I was actually going to their app, because I still have my app that I have from when I was a member, and I was looking for some perfume, and I did actually find one that I bought, which is a Scorpio, because it is my sign. So I did snag this. They didn't have the one that I was actually looking for, but in looking at their site, I saw that they had the spring mystery bundle, and I was like, you know what? It's been a long time. I haven't done a mystery bag in a while, and I haven't done Ipsy in so long. So let's see what that is about. So again, they are all the same. I don't know if every single one is the same or if I just got that luck. One of the two. So this is the Spring It On mystery bag. It's supposed to have all full-size products for $32 and have a retail value of $224. We're gonna see about that. So I just wanted to point out that when I first purchased, the retail value was $224. However, if you go to purchase it now, today anyways, it is $126. So apparently it can change at any given time, so there must have been different variations. So again, it was $32 each. I got 3 of them, and then I got this little guy right here. I did not screenshot this one on how much it was, but I think if I'm not mistaken, it was like maybe like $15 or something like that, because it's not a big one. It's not a big one. It's a small one. Let me show you. It's just like a travel size, but when I saw that it was like your sign, your zodiac sign, I was like, ooh, I want my Scorpio. And that is what it looks like right there. It says Scorpio. Let me spray the books. That actually does have a nice scent. I wasn't sure. I'm very, very picky with my scents, especially with perfume, because it stays on me. I don't want a headache or anything like that. With this one, the notes are pink pepper, clary sage, and tobacco. And I was like, that didn't really sound like a good combination in here, but it actually does smell pretty well. It does, but again, it just says Scorpio. So even if I set this like in my crystal collection, just sitting there, it's my sign. So that's why I had to grab it. So there's that. So again, here are the mystery bags. This is how it came down, just thrown in the bags just like this. It has your little pull tab here. I do like those colors. They're nice and like springy kind of colors. They look good together, just like the pink, blue, and yellow. The inside of the bag is all white, and then you have the gold zipper, so you can use this for anything. Now the contents that are inside of this, let's go with the palette first. This says it is a Geranium Plus Glow blush and highlight palette. I normally don't really do anything with blush or highlight, so what I'm going to do is open this one and show it to you, and then I'll probably I'll probably pass this one down to like a friend or a family member to use. Just because, like I said, I normally don't use blush or highlight, and if I felt like it, I have tons of them already in my arsenal that I could choose from. So it is really pretty packaging. It is nice, like spring colors. I do like that. So that's the outside, the back side. And then when we open her up, ooh, okay. So there's a mirror on the bottom, and then that is the colors on the inside. So you have like, I guess 3 blush and then 1 highlight. But those are really pretty colors. Again, I just don't do anything with them. So I will hold this and pass this down to somebody. So then the next thing in here, I'm actually going to use this. I love a good sugar polish. This is an amethyst sugar polish, and that is what it looks like. I'm gonna try to find pricing once I can open everything up. Ooh, that smells really good. Once I can open everything up and see what's all inside, I'll try to get some pricing. Ooh, it actually looks like there's pieces of amethyst on top. You see those chunks? Looks like there's actually, it smells so good though. Those on top, I really, really, really love. Like a sugar scrub, like the body scrub, I cannot speak today. Body polishes. So I'm really excited about that guy right there. All right, so next in here we have, oh, there's still 2 more in this bag. So we'll see what this guy here is. Is it a lip product? No, this is a liquid eyeliner in black. It's a liquid, yeah, liquid black eyeliner. That looks a little small to be a full-size product though, right? But I guess if it's a liquid, let's see. Okay, so that is what that little guy looks like down inside. I do not use liquid eyeliner, so I will do the same thing with this guy as I do with that palette. So either pass this down to like a friend or family member since I am opening it up. So here is a liquid eyeliner. Now we have something down in this little bubble wrap, and this says Testament Garden Grown Beauty Rosa Canina. I'm not sure. Essential face oil. Soothes, softens, and glows. And with that rosa something or other, that just goes straight to rose in my head. So I don't know if it's going to smell like rose or anything. Like, I guess I could, do I really want to smell it? I honestly don't really smell anything right now. Thankfully, I don't smell anything, but I might pass this down to somebody just in case, because rose is the one main culprit other than lavender that will give me like an instant migraine, and I get them enough without even smelling it that I don't want it to come from any product. So that's why I would stay clear away from those 2 products at all times. So I'll probably just pass this down. Plus I have so much other skincare that I could use, and I have others that I have never even used yet. So I'd rather just pass this down to somebody who would use it and actually enjoy it. So there's that. And then the last item down in here, looks like we have a tool. And it says eyebrow tweezers made in China YC collection. I could always use a good pair of tweezers, so I'm all for this guy. And that's what it looks like. The logo is right there. And that is the tweezers right there. So that is neat. The tweezers definitely I will use, and this I will use. So, and the bag, I guess, or maybe I'll just pass the bag down to somebody else because I have so many bags too. But that is the point of a mystery. You never know what you're gonna get. So now you see the products. If these are products that you would like to use, or you know somebody that could use them and you want to enter into this giveaway, I'm gonna let you know in just a moment. I'm gonna see really quick if I can find some pricing so we can see what the retail value is. The Geranium and Glow, this blush and highlight palette from the actual maker is $55. The tweezer set right about here is $20 from their website. This, I cannot find this exact amethyst like scent, but it looks like from their website, all of their sugar scrubs, see, I cannot speak. All of their sugar scrubs are $20 value. So I'm gonna value that at $20. Face product here. Now, this is where I'm a little torn because Ipsy now has this at $120 on their website. But if you go to the actual maker's website, it has it for $72 in a little gift box with other candy in it, I believe it said. Yeah, there was like some candy in there as well, and it looks like it has one of those little facial tools, and it has the same size in there with that whole set. So I'm not gonna value this at $120. I'll even do any better, and I'll just value it at the $72, even though you don't have the gift box, you don't have the tool, and you don't have the candy. So let's just value this at $72 for conversation purposes. And then the last item would be this right here, which the liquid eyeliner is $24. Is this the same net weight? 3.2. Yes, it is. So $24. So adding that up right there without adding this bag, it's $191 is what the value is retail, full price retail for this stuff. So there's that. And I only paid what, 32 or something like that. So definitely a great value because you're not paying that full price. You're paying probably what it's really worth. So there is the pricing that I could find for that stuff. Okay, so now that you have seen all of the products that are down inside of this, if this is something that you would like for yourself and you would like to enter into the giveaway to receive one of these 2 sets, then here is the simple rules that I do all of my giveaways. Number 1 though, before I forget, make sure you are careful for scammers. Make sure it does come from me. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to have this run for 2 weeks. At the end of the 2 weeks, I will use a random comment picker to cipher through the comments. And then I will comment back to your comment saying, congratulations, you are the current winner. It'll look just like this from my channel, my logo, my channel. There's no dot, there's no numbers, there's no at me, there's no telegram me, there's no nothing, just SheCrafty. And then at that point, then you can contact me either by social media or by email, whatever you prefer. And you have 72 hours. At the end of the 72 hours, if they have not confirmed yet, I will have to go back to the comment picker, cipher through the comments again, and find a new winner. Same thing will apply for the new winner, so on and so forth until I get a confirmed win. Down below in the description box, we'll have all of the official rules, the official end date. If you have any questions, it'll say congratulations to winner 1, congratulations to winner 2. Have their names and say either has 48 hours to confirm, or it will say confirmed. If it still says has 48 hours to confirm, hold tight. I might have to choose a new winner. The new winner might be you. But I do giveaways on my channel as much as I can to give back to you guys, to show my appreciation, to say thank you for those that are here actively supporting me on my channel. So I love to give back to you guys. So just make sure you do not get scammed. I had one already do one like this. It looked just like my logo. They took my logo, but they did the at Telegram me. That is definitely not me. Just please be careful. Make sure you are speaking with me before you give out any information. And I'm only going to ask for your address and your name and your address so I can mail it to you. That's it. I don't ask for anything else. So there's that. So the main rules, number 1, you must be subscribed to my channel. That's why I do what I do, to give back to those, again, that are here actively supporting me on my channel. I want to say thank you to you guys. So number 1, be subscribed. If you're not already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so then you can enter into this giveaway and any future giveaway that I do have. Number 2, give this video a big thumbs up. And number 3, leave 1 comment below. Sharing is caring. You can leave as many comments as you would like, but only 1 of them entering in for this giveaway to make it fair for everybody entering. Number 4, you must have a United States address for me to mail them to. I don't care where you live as long as I'm paying a United States address to mail them to. If you are out of the country and you want to pay your own shipping, by all means, you can still enter, but I will pay for a US shipping address. And then the last rule, number 5, is you must be over the age of 18 to enter in. If you are not, have somebody enter in for you that is over the age of 18 so then I can communicate with an adult getting addresses to mail these to. And that's it. Just smile. So simple and sweet, just like, again, all of my giveaways are. Be subscribed, like, leave in 1 comment with what I said to put in that comment. Have a US address for me to pay the shipping to, and be over the age of 18, and that is it. So again, that is everything for this particular video. Comment down below and let me know, what did you think about them? What do you think of all the items that were in this mystery? I don't know, again, if there's different variations or if I just got lucky and got all 3 the same. I don't know, but definitely let me know if you've got one or you saw one and did anybody get anything different. Let me know down below. I will have them linked up below if you would like to go take a look at Ipsy and see what they have to offer. If you want to check out any other companies, discount codes, learn more about me or my animals, you can always check out my website at any given time, which is SheCrafty.com. So now that is everything for this video. Again, comment down below and let me know. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.